Hello, it is day 7 of my 60-day glow up, and I wanted to make a wrap-up video here of week 1 to let you know what I've been doing and how I'm feeling. If you're following along with my channel, I've been posting to my shorts almost every day, not every day entirely, but what I'm eating and what kind of exercise I'm doing. And I've been saving the other things for this wrap-up video because I'm also concentrating on skincare and leveling up my beauty and my hair and just the way I look. And I also want to talk about some of the deeper things that I'm doing as well. So if you've been following along, you can download my free tracking sheet. This is what I'm doing to keep myself accountable every day. I'll have a link in the description below. So the categories are Mediterranean diet and nutrition. So I'm marking off every day that I'm following that plan. Exercise and movement. I've only missed one day of exercise because on that day I was particularly tired and I thought it better to just skip it than to try to push through being tired. Skincare and hair care, beauty and style, reading and learning. I've been trying to read something every single day, whether it's a novel or something educational. And then the last category here, last but not least, is meditation, journaling, and mindfulness. So every night I've also been journaling. I've been trying to just quiet my mind. What I've been concentrating mainly on is sticking to the Mediterranean diet. So I'm trying to lose some weight in time for summer. This is a 60-day challenge to myself that takes me up to the first day of summer. And it was inspired by the fact that I am turning 60 years old this year. So 60 years and 60 days. So I'm trying to glow up in time for summer and just to not feel like I'm coming to the end of my life and just getting old. I'm trying to revitalize myself and hopefully create a new chapter for myself. So I've been following the Mediterranean plan, trying to eat more fruit, eat lots of vegetables, cutting out the snack foods. I would say my biggest problem with snack foods is I love potato chips. And when I eat potato chips, sometimes if I eat a lot of them, I start to gain weight, of course, and then I start to break out. So I've been cutting all things like that out of my diet. And I don't know if you can see, I have a few little pimples around my face. And I think it's my body's way of getting rid of all of the bad things that are in my body. And then it's gonna kind of clear up on me. That's the way my body usually works when I start a diet. I'm also concentrating a lot on skincare, and I thought I would share with you what I've been doing because as we get older, we really need to take care of our skin. So this is something that I use all the time. This is Trilogy Certified Organic Rosehip Oil. I put this on my face every night before I go to bed, and I think this has been a real game changer for me. I've been using it for years. But I was on their website when I was buying a new bottle of that, and I was looking around just for something that I can try out, and I found this little sampler kit that they have. It's called the Glow Getter, and that is also what inspired me to do a glow up. People talk about glow ups all the time on YouTube, and I thought, well, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna do a glow up myself, and it's gonna be in a different way because I'm getting older. So this has some few sample products in it, and it's a vitamin C kit. So it has a vitamin C moisturizing lotion. I'm not sponsored by these people or anything. This is not an affiliate thing, but I will put a link to this down below if you're interested in trying. They're all little travel sizes, so you just get to try them to see if you like them. And I've been using this one a lot that I'm pointing to here, and it smells really beautiful, and I've been enjoying using it. Another brand that I bought something from, I like this brand also, it's called Pacifica, and I bought this little multi-pack of face masks. So I haven't used any of these yet, but I'm going to start using these, just every now and then. I'd like to use these in the summer because they're very cooling and they're soothing to the skin. And it has 3 in here, and I thought it would be a fun way to try them out. I've also been concentrating on beauty. I've been trying to make a little bit more effort in my daily life of putting on a little makeup, and maybe that's not important to you, but that's what's important to me. And I cut my hair a little bit. It was getting really long. And when I was young, when I was a kid growing up, my hair was kind of brown with blonde highlights in it. And as I got older, it got darker, which most people do. But now that I'm older and I'm gray, I do my hair brown. So I've been trying to lighten that up a little bit and soften up the way it looks around my face. And I also bought a home highlighting kit, which I've used before, and it's really good. And I'll probably do that in the next week or two, and I will share that journey with you as well, just to lighten up the areas around my face and kind of get ready for summer. What else have I been doing? So I also have been journaling every night. So I just made this journal by myself on Amazon. So I just made something that I enjoy writing in. La Dolce Vita is my little tagline. So I've been writing at the end of the day before I go to bed, just writing down what I've been eating so I can keep a record of what I'm eating, how I'm feeling that day, and how it's going. But a lot of those things that I've been talking about are surface glow up things. I also wanted to talk about, trying to go a little deeper and think about, as I'm entering my later years, I'm entering a new chapter. I know that sounds a little, I don't know, woo-woo to say I'm entering my next chapter of my life, but I'm entering a new phase. I'm going to be 60, but I'm not old enough to retire. I don't even feel ready to retire. And I still have a lot of life left in me. And what am I going to do with it? You know, I had a big successful career back when I was living in California, and I've transitioned into my current career where I've written a couple of cookbooks, and I've become a coach, and I've really learned a lot about nutrition and the Mediterranean diet and sharing those health tips with you. So I have since become a lifestyle and wellness coach, but I feel like there's still more out there for me. So I'm trying to decide what is going on with my next chapter, how I'm feeling about life, what my purpose is, how I can contribute more to the world, how I can be more empathetic, how I can be more creative. And those are the kind of things I'm exploring on the inside. So this isn't just a surface glow up for me to get ready for summer and try to, you know, look good in a bathing suit. It's also about entering my later years in a very graceful and beautiful way. So I hope you're along for the ride with me, and if you want to participate, please feel free to follow along with my shorts and with these weekly wrap-up videos that I'm going to do. Download the tracking sheet so you can do this for yourself and you can keep yourself accountable. Let me know if you have any questions about what I'm doing, or if you have any inspirational stories you'd like to share with me. Or if you'd like to go deeper, go to donnadroza.com, sign up for my weekly newsletter where I talk about life and lifestyle and all the things that I'm doing every day. And that's about it. I just wanted to wrap up and let you know that I am feeling great after 1 week. You get kind of a diet buzz after you've cleaned all the impurities out of your body, and you get really ready to go. You know, the first 2 days might be a little difficult. You're like, oh my God, I'm hungry, you know, and things like that. But once you get over that and you just start living and you start filling yourself with beautiful, nutritious foods, your mind clears, everything in your body starts to feel more positive. And especially on a Mediterranean diet, I've learned this myself in the past, that you're going to feel so alive, and I want you to feel that too. So please do this along with me. I'm not going to tell you what to do. I'm just going to show you what I'm doing. Hopefully it will inspire you to follow along. So it's been week 1. This is actually day 7. So we have about 8 more weeks to go, leading up to summer. So if you want to feel great, those 8 weeks are going to go by whether you participate or not. And don't you want to participate and feel really great at the end of it? So that's all I have for you today. I'm looking forward to this week. So check out my shorts to see what I'm eating and what kind of exercise and stuff I'm doing this month. And I'll see you next week. Bye.